Alright, so my bag just got to my house. Super quick, awesome bag, looks great so far. The material looks pretty durable. And the inside is kind of coated, so it looks really nice. All the straps are pretty handy. As you can see, you can tighten the bag down here, as well as hold the straps in case you want to use it as a backpack. And just unlatch this, get it over there, and then it goes straight into your bag. Has a bunch of points where you can actually secure the bag to the top of the roof of your car. And yeah, this thing is massive. So I'm 6 feet tall, about 145, 150, and I just threw myself in there. So yeah, that's huge.
Yeah, you're gonna bait it backwards over there?
Yeah, I was gonna put it over there.
Bed is wet. Bed is wet.
Yeah, then you just look at a different spot. So I guess if you're gonna look that way, yeah.
See it's steaming? Yeah, it's because it's drying. It's freaking wet. My pillow is soaked.
Oh, good golly.
My sleeping bag is wet. And the inside of the dry bag is wet.
Is this like this being this close to it?
What the hell? It's supposed to be a dry bag, not a wet bag. Like, camping, unplug, did not come in clutch.
Cause I do.